I'm so excited. My Pixyls order just arrived today. And yes, while primarily I do a lot of diamond painting, I'm very excited to showcase my new Pixyls order, which features Stardew Valley. If you are a gamer, you probably know what Stardew Valley is, or even if you're what is it called when you don't game a lot? Casual gamer. If you are a casual gamer, you may have heard of Stardew Valley, or you're probably watching this first of all because you love Stardew Valley. So I'm very excited to showcase the new Stardew Valley times Pixyls crossover craft. This was launched, I think, a couple weeks ago, and I'm very excited because my order has arrived today in the mail. I have been playing Stardew Valley for years now. I have the PC version, and then when I got a Switch during the pandemic, I ended up downloading it for my Switch as well. So that's why I was so excited when Pixyls announced the Stardew Valley collab. I don't know if they'll be releasing more designs because, hey, you're missing Shane from the stands. For me, when I was picking out what I wanted to order from the Stardew collection, it took me a very long time, honestly. It took me a while to decide what I wanted to get because I wanted to get everything, but hi, budget doesn't allow me to get everything. So I basically picked and chose the designs that I was really in love with and the characters that I really liked, and this is going to be an unboxing video, and I'll show you some of my finished Pixyls. And if you're new to Pixyls, I also have more videos on my channel about Pixyls, so I highly recommend checking them out. I'll have all the links in the description box below. But if you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed yet, I do primarily make diamond painting videos, which is another Pixyl craft if you're not familiar with it. So go ahead and click the subscribe button and turn notifications on because I feel like I post videos whenever I want to, and there's no actual schedule. Here's my Pixyls order. Let's open this up. I honestly tried to not go too crazy with what I was ordering, but as you know, I was very excited that this was happening. Here's the postcard. I don't have this postcard yet. I think there's like different postcards throughout different months or whatever. I don't know how the postcards work, but I order probably like once every 2 or 3 months or so. So I don't have this postcard yet. Thank you for spelling my name right. L-E-Y, yes, thank you. And then here's how to pixel, some tips on how to pixel as well. And then Discord community. I'm part of their Discord. I love it. It's very informative. If you're new to Pixyls and just starting out, or even if you have done Pixyls forever, I would definitely say check out the Discord community. You can scan this somehow with your phone or whatever. First off, I ordered a new Pixyl precision applicator. These are the tweezers that I've been using to do my Pixyls, but this one you can tell it's longer, and this one is supposed to be more ergonomic. Agronomic. I can't talk. Anyway, so I got this one. I'm very excited about it. And then we go into the actual order. So I got the Junimo and Prismatic Shard keychains. These are super cute and small. I really like how it came in a pack of 2. And you can see the little Junimo and then the Prismatic Shard. This will mean nothing to you if you haven't played Stardew Valley, but I'm assuming since you're watching this, you are a Stardew Valley fan. I am a big fan of Stardew, as I mentioned. But here are the little stickers that go on each of the keychains. So very cute, very cute. And I'll probably seal these with some Mod Podge afterwards, and maybe I'll put both of them or one of them on my keychain. Then you know I had to get some of the stands, okay? I had to. They have a pack where you can get all of the stands and like the whole entire Stardew collection. I was like, no, I must hold myself back. So I had to get the horse, my trusty steed. Is that what they call horses? Steeds? Anyways, it's super cute. It's going to be a lot of brown, I'd imagine, but it's super adorable. Then I got Harvey, Dr. Harvey, the little zaddy. I love him so much. I've married him before, and he is a very good husband. Just saying, if you want a good husband in Stardew, get Harvey. And then here's the colors that go with him. And then I got Sam. Sam is a super cutie. And then here's the colors that go with Sam. Sam, I've also married. He was an okay husband, but I think my favorite husband, okay, problematic opinion, I really like Shane, okay? I like Shane. Shane is, I don't know why. I loved marrying Shane. But Shane was not in this release. I don't know if they're going to release more of these stands or anything like that, but I wish that all of the characters were in there so I could pick my favorites, but I had to get these 3 stands to start with at the very least. And then in terms of sticker sheets, this is the Stardew Valley Friends sticker sheet. So you can check that out. And each of these, after you're done pixeling them, you can lift them up and stick them on things. So here are some of the colors. Of course, there's going to be, I think that there's 2 sheets in here. So this is just like the pale, the darker colors. And then this one, I think, I'm not going to open it up, guys. I think is going to be like the brighter colors. So I'm super excited to do these. I'm super excited to have stands of 2 of my favorite men. For the sticker sheets from Pixyls, I actually ended up picking up their sticker album, whatever you want to call it. And inside you can see some of the stickers that I've done in the past. So I'm just going to show you little brag book. And then, okay, it's not that full, honestly. It's not that full. But I do have more sticker sheets that I've completed that I haven't added yet. Here's the Sweet Valentine's Day. Super cute. This is the second Sweet Valentine's Day. And then I also did the sushi sticker sheet as well. One thing I really like about Pixyls is that they work with artists. Like all their artwork is licensed. It's not stolen art like some diamond painting companies. In addition to Pixyls, though, Pixyls, the company, also launched Vexels. So Vexels is like bigger sticker sheets. And then basically I really like, I know I've said this a million times, I really like Pixyls, but I think I really like Vexels equally as much, or maybe even a bit more, like outside of pixeling crafts, because I cross stitch, I do diamond painting, those are the only 2 pixel crafts I do. I thought there would be more, but Vexels is totally different. It's not Pixyls. It's basically layering stickers onto like a design sheet. And I had so much fun doing this one. So if you haven't checked out Pixyls or Vexels before, I'll have all the links in the description box below. They are something that you want to keep an eye on because they do go quickly. Like on launch days, they do go quickly. And I highly recommend checking out their Discord, following them on Instagram, etc. Not sponsored. I'm just obsessed. So go check them out. If you have any questions about anything, let me know in the comments down below. If you want to learn more about Pixyls and I have like a hack on if you're a diamond painter, you can actually use a diamond painting pen to pixel. I'll leave links to my past Pixel videos in the description box below. If you made it this far in the video, leave a horse emoji, end of video gang, horse emoji. I don't know if I want to call it end of video gang, but if you're hearing this, leave a horse emoji. It really, like comments, likes, whatever, really help out my channel, so I super appreciate it. Also, if you like diamond painting, like crafting, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos whenever I feel like it, so make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!